How are you creating tickets today in ServiceNow? Are you already using AI? In this video, we quickly want to show you a use case that we built with generative AI. My name is Sören Maucher. I'm a certified technical architect for ServiceNow, and I work for DT Advisory in Switzerland. Let's start off with the architecture that we used in this use case and then go directly into a demo. In general, what we want to show is that we can take unstructured data, such as email, for example, or PDFs, and convert them into structured data, such as incidents or cases in ServiceNow. And in between, we are applying the Now Assist skill kit from ServiceNow and generative AI to convert this data. In the demo, we will show you 3 examples. First of all, we're summarizing the information. So we have a long email history chat that we want to summarize in a very sharp, concise summary. We also want to automatically set some fields, or for example, categorization. And we also want to detect the language that was used in the email to later automatically create comments in this language. All right, so let's start with the demo. Here we have prepared a long email history in French. So I don't even speak French. So let's see what the AI can do for us. What we want to do is we want to simulate here a conversation between different people back and forth in a foreign language. And at some point they decide to send it to ServiceNow to create a ticket. And let's click here on send. All right, so now we are logged into the ServiceNow workspace as an agent. And we can see here in the description field the entire email history that we just sent. So it automatically created a ticket and copied all the information in here. But as you also see, this is not very intuitive for me as an agent, because first of all, it's still in French and it's a lot of text. So what we've now created with AI is we've automatically summarized this entire history in a very short summarization. And we have at the same time also translated it to English, because as you remember, I don't speak French and I need the instructions in English. Furthermore, from the description or the email, we've also extracted the date by which the requester is expecting this ticket to be solved. And we can see here also in the summarization that this is expected by 31st of October. And this we can automatically populate with AI. And for this, we have created a custom action with the Now Assist skill kit that's retrieving the data out of the email. Furthermore, we're also setting the requester language, which in this case is French, but of course we can detect a lot of other languages as well. Again, we have built a logic with the ServiceNow Assist skill kit that retrieves us the language from the provided text. And you might ask, why do we actually need the language? In this case, it's important because me as an agent, I don't speak French, and I can just paste any comment here in English, click post, and then ServiceNow with the AI will automatically translate this in the language that's selected here. And now you can see the email here that has automatically been sent out to the end user. Let's do a quick recap of the demo. What did we see? We saw that we were able to summarize a long email history and create a very sharp summarization out of it. We were able to set some fields structured on the record itself. We were able to detect the language, in this case French, but of course any other language would work as well. And you might ask, what about attachments? Because this is also typically an unstructured way of inputs. And of course this can also be done with AI. We already built a use case for this. We will show you in another demo. At this point, I'm also interested in, are there any use cases you're interested in, you might have already implemented with Gen AI? Let us know. And of course, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me or to any one of my colleagues from DT Advisory.